Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this water filter jug from BRITA Aluna 2.4 liters. Included one Maxtra Pro all-in-one filter. One Maxtra Pro filter saves using up to 150 plastic bottles 1 liter size. 4 weeks, 150 liters. Scan the QR code for more information. Always on time, BRITA Memo reminds you to change filter every 4 weeks for optimum filtration results. And no worries, it's dishwasher safe. Designed to fit in your fridge door. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Transparent look, I like it. Get free benefits. Scan the QR code, plus warranty 12 months. Well, let's do that. And we have the BRITA all-in-one water filter. Install that here inside. Press. And that was all. Lock it. And of course we need water. Here we have the lid. That goes here. The start button. And we can see the percentage with the display. Let's fill up with water. Activating the Matrax Pro water filter. For optimal taste and performance, please allow 2 full funnels of tap water to pass through the filter before drinking. And you can use this filtered water to water your plants, for example. Ample size for multiple uses while remaining compact enough for refrigerators. Slim profile and lightweight build make it easy to use and store. Water will pass through the filter into the bottom reservoir. The BRITA Aluna water filter jug combines sleek design with advanced water filtration technology, providing you with pure and great tasting water. Whether you're using it for drinking, cooking or making beverages, this jug ensures optimal filtration for a healthier lifestyle. After activating the water filter, press and hold the start button until 4 bars appears on the display and flash twice. The flashing dot in the bottom right of the display unit means memo in operation. Reminds you to replace the filter cartridge every 4 weeks for optimal performance. Reduces lime scale, chlorine and other impurities, improving the taste and odor of tap water. Ideal for small households, offices or personal use. Makes water, tea, coffee and meals taste better with reducing chlorine and lime scale. Is an excellent solution for anyone seeking clean, fresh, tasting water at home or work. Compact, efficient and environmentally friendly. It's a perfect addition to your healthy lifestyle. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more kitchen essentials, health tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching and as always, Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.